students, today in this online class, I'm going to explain you class 6 science chapter 1 food, where does it come from? Food, anything which we eat to live are called food, like rice, dal, idli, sambar, chutney, vegetables, fish, milk, egg, fruits, etc. Here on this table in front of that person, you can see different types of food items are kept, like bread, boiled egg, chicken, samosa, fruits, cold drinks, burger, ice cream, etc. These different types of food items are not taken by everyone. Some are liking any particular kind of food, some others are liking some other type of food. In our India, variety of food is available. You can see in your daily diet also you are taking different types of food items in throughout the day. If you are observing your lunch, what you are taking on Monday, that maybe differ from your Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday's lunch. On Monday, if you are taking vegetable curry along with rice, might be you are taking paratha along with some dal or vegetable on Tuesday. On Thursday, maybe you are taking some dal along with rice. So here we can see in morning, like in your breakfast, in lunch, in dinner, throughout the day we are consuming different type of food items. Not at all that others are also taking other type of food items. Everyone not taking same kind of food item. You can see when we are taking lunch in our class along with our friends, that time we are finding might be some are bringing same food item in their tiffin as you had brought, or some are bringing different types of food items, like maybe someone bring puri along with some vegetables, roti along with some vegetable or raita, paratha along with some dal or some vegetables. Someone may bring the dhokla, someone may have chow mein. All these different varieties you can find among your friends even. So it indicates variety of food is there. This variety of food in India happen because of some different reasons, like climate. In India, from different reason, climates are varying from each other. In some reason, climate is too chill. Some reason, climate is very hot. Some are coastal region where climate is little different from some hilly region. That's why these food variations are occur in India. Here you can see in Gujarat, dhokla is very famous, whereas in South India, there rasam, sambar, idli, dosa, uttapam, these items are very famous. Whereas in Punjab, there chole bhature, chole, paratha, all these things are famous. If we are talking about Chhattisgarh, people mostly like to take rice in their main course. Whereas if we are talking about Uttar Pradesh, mostly people are consuming roti or chapati in their main course. These things are happen because of some different variations in their climatic conditions and also different resources which are responsible for the production of food or crops are varying from place to place on our earth. Here in India, we are finding different variety of foods are people like in different parts. In some coastal region, you will find people love to take rice or fish in their main course. Whereas when we are talking about Rajasthan, their people don't consuming rice or fish in their main course in such an amount as South Indians or coastal areas people are taking. So this implies climatic conditions are also very responsible and valid reason for variation of food in our India. Importance of food. It is very essential for all the living beings which are present in on earth, and it is very essential for everyone's growth. It's needed for our body to get energy to do work, to grow, to maintain our body, to remain healthy. So children, we should not never waste food. Don't waste food. Thank you.